Welcome, student. Okay, let us continue. This new lessons in the grammar. Okay, an auxiliary an auxiliary verb is a helper verb and is used for do along with the main verb. A model auxiliary cannot be used alone. It must be followed by another verb. It it adds some extra meaning to sentence. So here is the definition, and definition itself is a use of model auxiliaries. Okay, so model auxiliaries come into the sentence not only, but they comes along with the main verbs. Okay, uh, and these model auxiliaries gives us more informations or about the meaning of that sentence. And second point is the list of model auxiliaries and the meaning they express. So here are the some model auxiliaries given in this lesson, and we also got an informations that the meaning of these model auxiliaries or for what purpose these auxiliaries are used in the sentence. Okay, so the first auxiliary is can. The meaning of can is to show ability or to get a permission. So after that we have a sentence related to this meaning, ability and permission. Here is the sentence, that is first sentence. I can play badminton. I can play badminton. In this model auxiliary shows us the ability of a person of playing badminton. Next sentence is you can speak now. You can speak now. So here is a permissions given to a person about the speaking. So in the second sentence we have a permission type model auxiliaries. Here can is used as a permission. In the first sentence can is used as a ability. Now next is could. Could. Could shows us the possibility. Okay, and request. Possibility and request. So possibility sentence is there could be a thunderburst in this evening. There could be thunderburst this evening. So it shows the possibility. Next sentence is about the request. Could you pass me the coffee? Could you pass me the coffee? So here is a request sentence. Next is next model auxiliary is may. May also shows the permission and possibility. Permission and possibility. May I go now? May I go now? And possibility sentence is we may visit our grandparents this weekend. We may visit. So it was not confirmed. It was not confirmed that we will going to meet the grandparent, but we may visit shows us the possibility whether it will happen or not happen. It is not confirmed. So the possibility is shown by the use of may. Might. Again, might is used for the possibility. There might be a thunderstorm this evening. Same sentence, but the use of model auxiliaries are different. Okay. Will is a determination. Will is a determination. I will come first in class this year. I will. He was not coming first, but he will come in first in the class this year. Okay, not the previous year. Must. This is obligation. This is obligation. It is used for obligations. We must keep our neighborhood clean. We must keep our neighborhood clean. Another is would, and last one is should. So would is a request or past habit, and last one should is a advice, is used as a advice. So for a request sentence is would you turn the volume down please. Past habits is we would sit by the beach and watch the sunset. Okay. And advice is you should brush your teeth twice every day. So these are some model auxiliaries given in a sentence in this lesson, that is can, could, may, might, will, must, would, should. So you have to do the exercise given below this lesson. Very small lesson, but you have to complete this exercise and send me a photograph photograph on our homework group. Okay, homework group. Now we will stop here. Okay.